Hello students, today we are going to learn ABCD with all these different colors, okay? So this is pink color, this is grey color, this is orange color, this is sky blue color and this one is light green color. Okay, so we are starting with light green color. So A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. Okay. Next we are using orange color. Okay. This is orange color. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, G for goat. G for goat. H for hat. H for hat. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for joker. J for joker. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. Next we are using pink color. Okay. Next we are using pink color. So we will do this one like this. So M for monkey. N for nest. N for nest. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Okay. Next we are using sky blue color. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S for sheep. T for tiger. Okay. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Okay. And this is grey color. This one is grey. As you can see this. Okay. X. Now it's turn for Y. Y for yacht. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Okay. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.